Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Wawacat token. Ticker symbol is WAWA. Now this token is on the Solana blockchain, is doing very well today. Huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume. They're up 400% right now in the past 24 hours. Trending 18 in the Solana section on DEX Screener. We're going to go over the information on the Wawacat token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Wawacat token right now has a market cap of $3.3 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They're up 432% in the past 24 hours. They've had 32,491 transactions. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $6.6 million. Token price is about a third of a penny right now. It is 0.0033 USD. And they have $222,000 in liquidity in the Raydium pool. And according to DEX Screener, 99.85% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. Now they have a Telegram that you could follow at Real Wawa CTO. Now, CTO means community takeover, which most likely means the dev is now out of the picture. This is a community-run project, and this is the Telegram where you could chat with other community members regarding the project. They have 1,917 members, and 778 of the Telegram members are online right now. So that's a great place to talk to other people, ask questions, that type of thing. You can find this token on SolScan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. If you go to SolScan, you can also find a Photon link, Rug Check link, Gecko Terminal, Bird Eye. So there's 6 decimal places on this token. They started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's a deflationary token. Right now, the current supply is 999,968,615 tokens. Now, this token was created on pump.fun, according to their SolScan here. And checking their rug check here, it says risk analysis good. LP locked 99.86%. Now the Raydium pool contains 3.58% of the tokens, and the top holder only has 3.45% of the tokens. So there's no big whales or anything like that. So that's good to see. Now on their webpage, wawacatsol.com, you can find the contract address, a link to pump.fun, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Twitter, and Telegram. It says, yo, welcome to Wawa's world. Wawa's on Solana. Now, if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Solflare, Phantom wallet. You would fund that wallet with Sol, and you could fund it with Sol from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. And if you wanted to get a wallet, you could download it from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, wawacatsold.com. You probably will not have to set slippage. I don't see anything about taxes. You are going to have to pay a little bit of gas fees though, so just be aware of that. This token could be also available on other dexes like Jupiter, Meteora, or Orca, but definitely Raydium. And it could be listed on central exchanges soon. So if you follow the socials, they announce things like that. So it says, why did the sneaky Wawacat jump into the Wawa? Saw the market bouncing and said, perfect timing. Chasing those moonshots, but always landing on its feet. Hissed at the FUD, held tight to its Wawa bags, diversified into Wawa, Wawa, and Wawa. Now it lounges in the crypto sun, smug and unbothered. Now they do have a link to buy off pump.fund. You can click on that. It'll take you over there. It says, everyone loves Wawa. He is cute. And then they have tons of memes. At least 6 here on the page. There's even more on the socials. That basically they post those memes on there so people can create their own memes out of the pictures, add words. Also just share them on their social medias to help shill the token out. It's a good way of community marketing, basically. This is a brand new token. Actually, the token pair was just created 2 days ago on Raydium, according to Dex Screener. They have a community takeover claim. It says a community claimed ownership of this token September 20th. And you can see that on Dex Screener. And then they also have links to the original profile if you want to check that out. They have a marketing boost button on here. They have a quick audit on Dex Screener, and it says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. 2,540 holders. It says here they have a Dex score of 85 out of 99. And they have here a quick audit by Quick Intel Security that you could find on Dex Tools. And it says contracts verified. No honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. But keep in mind, that is just a quick audit. It's not a full audit, does not go over everything. And yeah, you should always do your full research on any token before investing. You can also find the contract address real easy on the Twitter, right on the screen here, at Wawa_CTO. Blue verified checkmark, 65 tweets, brand new Twitter, just joined September 2024. Has some links to the Telegram there, an X community. You could join that as well. 1,032 holders and very active on the socials. They just posted 38 minutes ago on their Twitter here. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.